Welcome friends. In this video I am going to solve some different type of double integration problem here. Here we have to show that integration from 0 to 1, integration from 0 to square root of 1 plus x square dx divided by 1 plus x square plus y square equal to pi by 4 times log of 1 plus square root of x. Left hand side you have to integrate double integration, and what you are observing is here you have to integrate first with respect to x or y. It is confusing because dx dy is given. By seeing that you can observe that it is first to integrate with respect to y, but here it is totally wrong. Indirectly they are given it is a function of x, means y equal to it is square function of x. Therefore you have to integrate it first with respect to y. So I will rewrite the given equation as integration from x equal to 0 to 1 and then integration from y equal to 0 to y equal to square root of 1 plus x square into 1 divided by 1 plus x square plus y square into dy. I will put the bracket for this, so which is to be integrated first, then with respect to x. Okay, indirectly they are given y, therefore you have to integrate first with respect to y. Then what is the integration of this 1 plus x square plus y square? Directly we don't have such integration because 1 plus x square is treated as constant here and y square is your integrable. Therefore I am going to apply the formula, this one, integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square into dx. If it is there, its integration is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Correct? We know the formula, integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. This formula I am going to apply. But here 1 plus x square total is treated as constant. Therefore I will rewrite this one in this form as integration from x equal to 0 to 1, integration from y equal to 0 to square root of 1 plus x square as it is. In this form I am integrating with respect to y, and I will rewrite this one as y square plus square root of 1 plus x square, and it's a square I will write, into dy and into dx as it is. Now we are comparing with this one. Here we are integrating with respect to x, but here we are integrating with respect to y. Therefore x is treated as y and your a is nothing but square root of 1 plus x square. Therefore 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. In this form if I write that, I will go to get it as I will write this one as integration from x equal to 0 to 1. Its integration will become 1 by square root of 1 plus x square, because it is a, it is acting as your a here. Okay, into tan inverse of y divided by square root of 1 plus x square, y by a, x by a, like that here, y by a. This is between the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to square root of 1 plus x square into dx. For this integration I have to substitute, replace y by upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, I will rewrite and substitute and simplify this one as here integration from x equal to 0 to 1, 1 divided by 1 square root of 1 plus x square is constant, tan inverse of y is replaced by upper limit square root of 1 plus x square divided by square root of 1 plus x square. Correct? To avoid confusion I will put one more bracket here. This is upper limit minus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus x square into tan inverse of 0, y is replaced by again this 0 lower limit divided by square root of 1 plus x square. This is my upper limit into dx as it is. While simplifying this one, this and this cancels, equal to 1, and this will become 0, 0 into anything will become 0. Now what else remains here? X equal to 0 to 1, and this is 1 divided by square root of 1 plus x square into tan inverse of this. Correct? Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4 into dx. This is term is 0. Therefore I can write here it is Here pi by 4 is constant, and integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square, square root of 1 plus x square is nothing but we know that log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square. This is between the limits x equal to 0 to 1. Okay, substitute upper limit minus lower limit for this one. Therefore, it is pi by 4 into upper limit log of x is replaced by 1. 1 plus square root of 1 plus 1. Correct? Upper limit and minus pi by 4 times log of x equal to 0 plus square root of 1 plus 0 square. Simplify this one. This is pi by 4 into log of 1 plus square root of 2 minus pi by 4 times log of 0 plus 1 is 1. Therefore, what log 1 is 0. This is equal to 0. My final answer is required one, that is my pi by 4 times log of 1 plus root 2 is my required answer. Like this, we can solve some more examples in my next video. I am solving in the next video how to construct the region of evaluation of double integration. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, do like the video and also share the video with your friends. Thank you.